Hi, my name is Dr. Renn, and I'm here to answer the question of whether laser therapy is invasive or non-invasive. Class 4 laser therapy uses different wavelengths of light that have been proven to get deep inside the tissues and affect those mitochondria. So after the light hits the mitochondria, then we get a production of ATP. When you get a production of ATP, that helps stimulate the cell to help heal and regenerate itself. It's going to have a lot of different processes that are going to help decrease pain, swelling, inflammation. Class 4 laser therapy treats a wide variety of conditions. If you've got pain, most likely you can treat that pain with Class 4 laser therapy. And you may treat the area of what the complaint is, and you also treat around it because everything will feed that through your fascial lines in your body. Some conditions may include like a tennis elbow, golfer's elbow, carpal tunnel syndrome, biceps tendonitis, a rotator cuff tear. You could have a disc injury in your neck, your lower back, sciatica, Achilles tendonitis, generalized knee pain, or specific injury to a meniscus or a cruciate ligament, or even one of your collateral ligaments. It can help with ankle pain and tendonitis that we experience quite often in the foot. Class 4 laser therapy is highly effective and it doesn't have any kind of side effects to it at all. Not like you would get with medications, opioids, to general pain relievers that can irritate the stomach lining. As well, it doesn't have the side effects that a cortisone shot or taking cortisone orally would have as well. After we evaluate a patient, we determine the exact dosage that they need and the area of which they need it. We find that patients will respond to therapy within a few visits. Each session can last between 10 and 15 minutes, typically per region. If you're looking for a safe and effective way of managing acute or chronic pain, consider Class 4 laser therapy. No side effects, and it really helps. And if you're a patient that's been dealing with a condition for a long period of time, it's time to try this non-invasive treatment. If you live in the Chicagoland area, give us a call and see if Class 4 laser therapy is something that could help you.